Welcome to the first episode of Tech in Your Field. Today, we are diving into something that could completely reshape the way healthcare works. And I'm not talking about just the latest gadgets. I'm talking about Web3 and decentralized science. And how these technologies are opening doors for doctors, researchers, and healthcare professionals everywhere to level up their career. So stick around because I'm going to show you the groundbreaking opportunities that are waiting for you right now. So let's talk about healthcare, the industry that touches all of us every single day. But it's also one of the most complex and traditional industries right now. A lot of time, effort, and resources go into researching diseases, developing treatments, and improving patient care. But here is the kicker. Technology is pushing healthcare into the future, and guess what? You don't need to leave your field to get in on this action. We're talking about blockchain, decentralized applications, and cryptographic technologies that allow data to be controlled by the individuals. This means that healthcare professionals can take back control of their research, patients can control their health data, and new opportunities for transparency and security are opening up. But what about DeSci? Decentralized science is essentially a movement to open source scientific research and make it more accessible to everyone. It's about removing barriers for researchers, especially those in low resource settings, and making data and findings freely available to the global community. We're talking about open peer review system, crowdfunded research projects, and blockchain-backed research funding. Imagine being able to collaborate with scientists across the world and knowing that the data is secure, transparent, and shared fairly. I know you might be thinking, I'm a doctor, not a techie, and that's where Web3 and DeSci become incredibly exciting. There are startups in Web3 actively looking for doctors, researchers, and healthcare professionals to join their team, not to learn how to code, but to apply your medical expertise to tech-driven solutions. Here are a few examples. There are companies leveraging blockchains to create decentralized healthcare records, which means patients can own their data and decide who has access to it. And you can be part of this solution as an advisor, researcher, or even helping with clinical trials. Some platforms use blockchain to ensure secure and transparent consultations between doctors and patients. These startups need medical professionals to ensure the quality of care and the regulatory aspect. Also, think about research and clinical trials that are being powered by blockchain. DeSci communities are encouraging crowdsourced research where doctors can take part in virtual trials, helping to speed up the approval of treatments while decentralizing control. Web3 is creating jobs in healthcare that didn't even exist in a few years ago, meaning that the sky is the absolute limit. Now, let's talk about people who are making these changes happen. There are vibrant DeSci communities across the world, and they are doing incredible things. These communities are pushing for open access to scientific research, decentralizing knowledge, and making healthcare more inclusive. First, we have Cerebrum DAO. Cerebrum DAO is a globally distributed community-owned and governed collective that funds and incubates translational neuroscience research with a view to commercialize the resulting IP. Also, we have Athena DAO. Athena DAO is a decentralized community of researchers, funders, and advocates working to advance women's health research, education, and funding. We have Psi DAO. Psi DAO is promoting progress in tokenized psychedelic science and arts. We have Air DAO, and we also have Bio. Bio is driving biotech innovation through decentralized funding and coordination. Lastly, we have DeSci World. DeSci World is a decentralized platform that empowers global scientific collaboration by leveraging blockchain technology to make research more transparent, accessible, and community-driven. HealthTech conferences and hackathons are some of the best places to meet like-minded professionals and see the cutting-edge project in action. For example, the Health 2.0 conference is one of the largest gatherings of healthcare innovators, where doctors and tech professionals share insights on AI-powered diagnostics, telemedicine, and digital health solutions. I also attended DeSci London last year, and they have different communities and conferences across the world. Healthcare professionals looking to jump into tech can leverage on hackathons. Companies are always looking for doctors, nurses, and researchers to help them understand the real world implications of their tech solution. And guess what? A lot of hackathons have prizes and even job offers for winners. So this is your chance to get in on something transformative and make your mark in healthcare. These events are great places to learn, grow your network, and discover opportunities in healthcare and tech. So now let's take a look at some real world success stories. And I'm especially excited to highlight some amazing female founders making waves in healthcare and tech. We have Laura Minquini, the founder of Athena DAO, a decentralized hub for women's health. We also have Ifeoluwa Dare Johnson. She's the founder and CEO of Health Tracker, and she has been building on over a decade of experience in biochemistry and digital technology. She has led the Health Tracker team to create innovative diagnostic solutions, including self-sampling kits and digital innovation to improve access to healthcare for key populations in Nigeria. Also, we have Adiola Ayola, the co-founder of Pharmacy Africa. She has a background in pharmacy and has launched Pharmacy Africa to bridge gaps in medication management using innovative technology like AI-driven reminder and advanced data analytics. These are just a few examples of how doctors and health professionals are using tech to drive innovation and impact lives across the globe. If they can do it, so can you. What's next? Whether you're a doctor, a public health expert, a researcher, or just someone interested in the future of healthcare, there is so much potential for you to explore in Web3 and DeSci. Tech is not replacing healthcare professionals. It's enhancing your ability to do even more. From startups to DeSci communities to international hackathons, there are so many ways for you to expand your impact, advance your career, and be a part of this transformation. So if you're ready to supercharge your career and be a part of a healthcare revolution, now is the time to jump in. Don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode where we'll be diving into fashion and AI. Thank you.